Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cold coffee that is rich, creamy and delicious. So now let's get started. In a small bowl, mix 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar. This will give a strong and sweet base. If you like your coffee to be very strong, you can add a little bit more of instant coffee powder. Add half a cup of cold water and stir until the coffee and sugar are completely dissolved. Now in a blender, add 2 cups of cold milk. To this, add quarter cup of ice cubes. The prepared coffee mixture. Now blend this on high speed for 30 seconds or until everything is well combined and frothy. While the coffee is blending, let's prepare our glasses. Drizzle some chocolate syrup on the inside of each glass for a nice decorative touch. If you like your cold coffee to be extra creamy, you can choose to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream while you blend the coffee. However, I like my coffee this way. I'm not adding any ice cream today. Now pour the blended coffee in the glasses. You can top it off with whipped cream, shaved chocolates, vanilla ice cream, cocoa powder or coffee powder. Here it is, your perfect cold coffee, creamy, refreshing and delicious. I'm gonna top it off with some cocoa powder today. Serve it with a straw or a long spoon and enjoy your cafe style cold coffee at home. Thanks for joining me today and for watching this video. If you loved this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you on the next video. Bye.